Hello YouTube family, welcome to my another new video. My name is Roselyn. Today is December 30, 2020. Yes, 2 nights before New Year, or one night to go before New Year's Eve. So guys, I was a bit upset 3 nights ago. It was because I made this video last Christmas evening, and I edited it for 3 nights, and then I supposed to save the video, but before saving it I deleted some videos in my raw videos in my gallery. So I deleted some original videos in my gallery permanently, and then so when I'm about to save my edited video, something wrong because most of the videos I deleted them, so I couldn't restore them. But well, I think I know, but it's quite hard. So moving forward, tonight I'm going to make quite popular dish. This is an Ilonggo style of paella, or Filipino style of paella. I'm going to make the Valenciana Ilonggo style. So this dish is quite famous when it comes to all occasions. We usually make them on birthdays, fiestas, when we celebrate festival, and Christmas and New Year. So this dish is always on the table when it comes to occasions. So stay tuned. Right guys, first we have to wash the glutinous rice. So this is 3 cups of glutinous rice. So glutinous rice don't need much water. Let's put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Alright, let's put 1 teaspoon of salt to our rice. Put the lid on. Okay guys, so we can start frying the ingredients while waiting for the rice to cook. So let's start. Okay, so to start with, let's heat our frying pan. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. So this time I'm using olive oil. So 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I added in half cube of chicken stock. Add in the peas. This is half cup of green peas. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs. So I quarter them and later we're gonna put on top for the toppings. Guys, after a few minutes, so after 25 minutes, actually more than that. So the rice, I got difficulty in cooking rice because I think I put too much in the rice cooker, but it's okay. So let's add in the rice too. So cooking this rice is a little bit trickier than the normal rice because this one is very sticky and also don't need much water. So just stir it and mix all the ingredients. Mix them together. I'm gonna be using like 2 boxes of small raisins. Oh my god, this one is really sticky inside. I'm gonna reserve some for the toppings later. Looks good. So I'm gonna season it with pepper. Hey guys, that's my Valenciana Ilonggo style. It's like kind of Filipino version of paella. So I hope you like this. This looks really delicious. Alright guys, I hope you like my video and you learned from my cooking video tonight. So please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, And if you want me to cook something that is different, just comment down below, and I love to cook that for you. And also I love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribe up there. That's my channel up there. And also please do me a favor to share my video in Facebook. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like my video. I wish you all a blessing New Year 2021. Happy New Year! Time flies, hey? Yeah, so we are living the 2020, but I'm so grateful for 2020. There are lots of opportunities. So because of the pandemic, I made my YouTube channel, but I had this before, but I encourage to continue uploading the videos for you guys. And yeah, so I thank God that all of us are healthy, you are healthy, and your family, and I thank God for His protection and His provision despite of this chaos in the world. So wishing everyone a healthy and blessed 2021. Yeah, Happy New Year!